Hi sisters!
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be recreating James Charles and Kylie Jenner's Halloween makeup tutorial. I am super excited because when I saw this video I was like, oh my gosh, yes, 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 obsessed. So I already did my eyes. I did do my eyes kind of similar to how he did hers. I don't know if it's spot on, but this is what I did. So I'm just going to be recreating the skull part. So I'm gonna like insert a little clip of it somewhere right here so you guys can see what I'm doing and just kind of do it and explain what I'm doing as I'm doing it. I've actually never done a skull before, so this will be first for both of us. So we'll see how it comes out. But if you guys want to see me recreate James Charles' skull makeup tutorial like he did on Kylie Jenner, then just keep watching.
I need to sketch out like the highlights first,
okay,
so then I can focus on the shadows.
So sketch out the highlights first. Like I said, I've never done this before, so we'll see how it goes. I think this video is so awesome because Kylie Jenner really opened up a lot, and she's just a normal person, and I fuck with her because she's a young mom too. So what's up? Okay, not so bad. Do the teeth, but this is what I'm like scared of because I've never done teeth before. I'm gonna take this like a detail brush. It's a Morphe M250S brush, and I'm just going to pick up some of this white eyeliner jumbo pencil thing, and I'm going to do the details up of the teeth. I love Kylie Jenner. I think that she is everything. I'm obsessed with her, and I wish that I had $1 million so I can own all of her products. That'd be dope. In the future. Do the outline. I need to like concentrate for this. Okay, so he used like a shimmery purple color, so let me see if I have something similar to that. Alright, I'm gonna go into Metallic Plum from the Anastasia Self-Made palette, which is an oldie but a goodie. So I'm just gonna use this brush from ABH Cosmetics. It's like a flat shader brush. I'm also gonna mix deep purple, like both of those, because I want that like purpley effect that he had. And now I'm going to go into a more precise brush and just kind of go around through the teeth. I'm just going to go through and kind of make everything a little bit more clean and neat, and then I will be right back. So So I just cleaned everything up and just added a little bit of detail in the teeth, which I think that they look a lot better than they did. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight, because I see that in the picture when she's like facing this way, it has a little bit of like a highlight. I'm going to take the Moodchild palette from Anastasia and I'm going to take Purple Horse, highlight with that. Oh. So now I'm just going to spray my face real quick with some setting spray, just for the sake of the video, and voila. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. This was super easy to recreate, so this is like a last minute Halloween costume. You can just do this and be a skull, a glam skull. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one.